I feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady.
Hey everybody, welcome to Greenhippies.
I'm Greenhippies. So today we have a surprise for you.
Yes, we are going to do Pay It Forward.
We are going to pay it forward.
Yes.
And what are we paying forward?
We are paying it forward soup and cornbread and banana nut bread. It's turkey dinner stew. Yes.
Tell me more.
Tell you more. Well, it's turkey, potatoes, carrots, celery, gravy, everything, cranberry sauce, all turkey dinner soup.
Yes, I can't wait. My mouth is watering.
And chocolate.
Yes. And where and when are we doing that?
We are doing it December 24th at 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Holliday Crossroads.
Yes. And we have links on the website, so read more. So we wish you to come over and grab a bag and get some yummies and enjoy the holidays and have a good time. And paying it forward, how do they pay it forward?
By doing good and being good.
Amen. I want to give you a backdrop. Haha, backdrop. I want to give you a backdrop, a quick one about the story, how this started. Olivia, she came to visit me in Norway. Her brother was an exchange student, and me, him from Boise State University, and me in Norway at Agder University. So we basically swapped base for a little bit, and that's how I got to know Olivia, because she lived in the same area, the same house, the complex that I was living in, and we became friends. And she came to visit me, and my dad paid a airplane ticket, and when she wanted to pay it back, he said, just pay it forward. And then she paid it forward to Greenhippies to do charity with it. She and her husband Walid. So bless you guys for this awesome initiative. So we want to thank you, Olivia and Walid, and my dad for the $1,000 that you paid it forward so we can do this. And we want to thank Rachel and Curtis for helping bake and make this happen. Curtis for driving it around. And thank you to you for making the awesome food. And thank you for me for making the dessert.
Yes.
So, and if you want to contribute, and also Pearline in Wadawi gave a little bit. And next month we're hoping to do a little bit too.
Yes.
So like once a month. But for now, that's it.
That's it.
We forgot to mention something. We always forget, don't we? We're fragile. Also, if they want to contribute, how do they do that?
And just get in touch with us, and we'll figure out something. We're going to try to do this once a month to pay it forward, because we are so blessed. We have each other.
So you can go to, you can write an email at greenhippiefriends@gmail.com, or you can basically go to the webpage and get more info there. If you want to donate something yourself at the event, you can come and just bring whatever at Holliday Crossroads. And the more the merrier, yeah?
Yes. We'd love to have more food there. Yes, absolutely.
Yes, or items like, you know, maybe you have something else to give away.
Yes.
Yeah, be creative. Challenge is on.
Yes.
What are you doing? Poor babies. You're trying to relax and he's playing with you. Daniel, what are you doing? He's a cutie boy. You want to say hi?
Another little thing I came to think about is Daniel, he's a chef, and he always did like to give out food. Like when we went to the Pinhoti Fest, we had like some trail magic there, giving away breakfast. And also, if you are a hiker, you're more than welcome to come over. We'll come and get you if you're not too far away, and get some free trail magic. If you need a bed, we're not totally open yet with the hostel, but we can fit you in somewhere. So happy holidays, everyone. Okay.
Later, guys.
Captivity for you, Lord, I'll go for green living. I feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living.